our topic is? Well done if you said all about animals. Our topic is called Parrots, Penguins and Peacocks, but that doesn't mean that we're just learning about those animals. We're learning about all animals from around the world, where they come from, what kind of climate they live in, and today we're going to learn about what they eat. So we're going to look at 3 special words today that describe what animals eat. So let's have a look at the first one. The first kind of diet is called, or kind of animal is called a herbivore. Can you say that word? Herbivore. Herbivore. And herbivores are animals that only eat plants. These can be flowers, fruits, nut, grass, or even wood. And these animals, they don't need any meat. They don't need to eat other animals. They live off things that they find around them in the wild, like nuts and things. They're very much vegetarians. They don't eat meat, just like we have lots of vegetarians in our school. And these kinds of animals can be like a horse or a bunny rabbit, as you can see here, or a cow, or a deer over here we've got as well. They don't like to eat meat. They're vegetarians. They just like to chew on plants and things. And you can tell this because herbivores have flat teeth. Their teeth are nice and flat, so they can use them to grind the plants down as they eat. It helps them to eat them. And you can remember the word by saying herbivore. Now, do you know what a herb is? A herb is a type of plant. So I always think herbs are a plant, so if you're a herbivore, you only eat plants. Okie dokie. Now, the next word is a carnivore. Now, what is a carnivore? If a herbivore only eats plants and seeds, then what does a carnivore eat? Well done if you said that they only eat meat. So these animals only like to eat other animals. They need to catch their animals and they eat live animals, which is really sad, isn't it? It is sad, but it's a circle of life. These animals need the nutrition from meat to survive. These animals can be eagles, lions, sharks, now we love sharks, or an alligator. Now, like I said, herbivores have flat teeth to grind the leaves and the plants down in their mouths as they chew. Now, carnivores have sharp teeth, and they have sharp teeth so they can rip their food apart. So they'll catch an animal. So if you're a lion, you might catch an antelope with your sharp claws, and you use your sharp teeth to help you eat the animal and chew the animal, okay? So that's what a carnivore is. Can you say it? Carnivore. And carnivores love meat. They love catching their meat and eating it. And the last one that we're going to look at today is an omnivore. An omnivore is a greedy animal. Omnivores don't eat plants, or don't eat only plants. They don't eat only meat. Omnivores are animals that eat meat and plants. They're greedy and they love to just eat all of the food, okay? And these kinds of animals can be chickens, brown bears. Ooh, what's this here? What am I circling with my mouse? Humans. Humans are animals too, don't forget, and they love to eat meat and plants. So if you eat chicken and you eat beef, if you like to have a sausage sandwich and if you like to eat, I don't know, chicken pasta, then you are an omnivore. And especially if you eat vegetables too. And we all eat fruit in school. When we're at school, we like to enjoy fruit too. So if you eat fruit and if you eat things like chicken or beef at home, then you are an omnivore. Whereas if you just eat plants and you don't eat meat, then what are you? You're a herbivore. And then over here, we've got a hedgehog. Even if you eat things like worms or other insects, then you are an omnivore because that means that you are eating both live animals and you are eating plants. So that's what makes you an omnivore. Can you say it? Omnivore. Omnivore. So we've got herbivores. What do herbivores like to eat? Well done if you said plants, nuts and seeds. What do carnivores like to eat? Well done if you said other animals, other live animals. And what's an omnivore? Omnivores are greedy guts and they like to eat meat and plants. So in your pack, you have got the sheet. So if you scroll across, I'll tell you what to do with the sheets. And if you need any help, you can always Google the animals on the sheet and find out for yourself. Do your own research. Do they eat meat? Are they a carnivore? Are they a herbivore? Or are they an omnivore? Okay, and when you've done it, take a picture for me and pop it onto your portfolio, okay? Well done, everyone.